Have you learnt the basics of silver jewellery making and are ready to up your game? In this course bundle of intermediate silver jewellery and shaped cabochon stone settings, you will learn a whole range of exciting new techniques to expand your designs and add beautiful gemstones to your work. Taught by expert jewellery tutors Michelle Lever and Hayley Kruger, over 9 bite-sized videos, you will learn to make a spinner ring, domed jewellery, texturing, soldering, and cabochon settings for square, teardropped and shaped stones, as well as fun partial bezel settings to add endless design possibilities to your work. This is an online course with 24/7 ongoing access to watch from anywhere in the world anytime you like. Sign up today to get instant access to both courses, complete with downloadable course notes and your questions answered from our supportive community. I can't wait to welcome you onto the course very soon.